So, the OnePlus 13 is set to launch with an impressive curved display, featuring minimal bezels on the sides, top, and bottom much like the iPhone 14 Pro. It boasts a sleek new rear design with a circular module housing triple cameras and a massive 6,000 mAh battery, thanks to innovative Glacier battery technology. This new battery is thinner than traditional ones, allowing for a sleeker design without adding bulk. In terms of security, the OnePlus 13 will feature an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that's fast, secure, and resistant to water and dust. And yes, it's official, OnePlus is adopting MagSafe like Qeta wireless charging. With this magnetic suction feature, not only will charging be faster, but you can also use accessories like a wallet, power bank, or even mount it for navigation in your car or for watching movies. Internal documents reveal the size and positioning of the magnetic coil, paving the way for case makers to create compatible designs. Expect to see accessories that mimic the convenience of Apple's MagSafe. Recent schematics from DCS confirm the camera setup, which will include a triple camera array, a main lens, a super wide-angle lens, and a 3x zoom periscope shooter, complete with flash and autofocus sensors. Interestingly, OnePlus is utilizing tetraprism technology similar to that found in the iPhone 16 Pro Max's periscope module, indicating a solid camera performance. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, boasting the 8K Gen 4 architecture. Initial benchmark scores suggest it outperforms Apple's A8 chip, placing it on par with the Apple M3 processor. The OnePlus 13 will run on Oxygen OS 15 and can be configured with up to 16 GB of RAM. There's also news about the new 3-in-1 ultra-fast wireless charger, compatible with iPhones, AirPods, and Apple Watches. This charger simplifies your charging needs into one device, making it a must-have. OnePlus President Lui highlights the next flagship's performance, promising a remarkable gaming experience with up to 12 frames per second for Genshin Impact, a bold claim indeed. Lastly, expect the OnePlus 13 to feature a Bow Extra panel, which will offer even brighter visuals with enhanced colors and eye protection. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch.